Hello, Cochiti families. Welcome to Cochiti's first annual virtual open house. My name is Miss Sonia, and I am Cochiti School Tech, and I'm going to take you through this virtual open house and show you how things work. So first thing we're going to do is you're going to tap or click on these blue doors, and this will get you started. This is Miss Hanson's page, and think of it as her school assembly. So this is really important information for everyone to hear. It talks about our vision and our Title I program here at Cochiti. Also, there's some parent information for you. If you do click on any of these, this will take you to the site where you can download them. They have been emailed to you, so they'll be there. If you do happen to click on any of these, it will take you out of the site into a new window. And that's okay, you can just always come right back, but just know that it will do that. This guy here is really important. He will take you to our teachers' pages at all times. So once you see him, if you get lost, he will guide you right back to where you need to be. This blue arrow, if it does have one, it'll take you back to the last site that you were at. So here we go, we're back here. We've watched our assembly, we've reviewed the parents' information. Now let's go meet our teachers. Here, this page is where Roscoe will always take you to, our cougar. You can choose your child's classroom. We have pre-K, kindergarten, first grade, second grade, third grade, fourth grade, fifth grade, special ed, specials and pullouts. This includes the school nurse and our counselor, our special mystery guest, which everyone I know is excited to hear a wonderful story from our mystery guest, and then a chance, of course, to win some prizes. So if your student is in first grade, you're simply going to tap on first grade. You're going to find which teacher your student belongs to. Let's go to Miss Bean, and Miss Bean's video should start up automatically. Please be patient. These are YouTube videos, so sometimes they take a little while to load. You'll listen to her presentation, and then you can always go back to see your teachers, or you can go see Mr. Cohen, your other first grade teacher. So let's follow Roscoe, and then once you've seen your teacher, and what's really great is you can go back and see last year's teacher. You can go forward and see next year's teachers. Anything that you want, really, you can go see the whole Cochiti family. If you go here to specials and pullouts, I really recommend going through all of these because they explain a lot of what's happening in their classes. We have a special puppet show from our health office. Let's see, and once you tap on one of those, it'll take you straight there. In counseling, do know that there's 2 videos on this one. We have Miss Erin and Miss Bev, and so let's go back to our teachers pages. So that's how we get there. Guys, if you have any questions, make sure to just tap on Roscoe. He should lead you back there. Lastly, once you're done, the last thing you're going to do is you're going to enter to win here, and this again will take you to a new page, and you will simply just fill this all out, and once you've submitted it, you are done, and you feel free to come back and visit us again and over. Okay, guys, I hope you have a great night.